Dream Destiny destinations. Explore the world beyond borders. Discover history, nature, and unforgettable journeys.
What comes to mind when you think of Mexico? Is it Cancun's beaches, tacos, or mariachi bands? But Mexico is more than postcards and stereotypes. It's ambition, creativity, and constant movement. Ancient pyramids stand beside glass towers. Mexico is a nation of surprises, an invitation to discover its true self. Mexico's factories hum day and night, producing cars, electronics, and more for the world. Trade is the lifeblood of the economy, transformed by the USMCA. From big factories to small online shops, Mexicans send goods across the globe, balancing growth with people and planet. Walk through any Mexican neighborhood and you will hear laughter, music, and conversation. Family is the core of daily life. Extended families often live close, sharing meals and stories. Grandparents, aunts, cousins, each person has a role to play. Sundays are sacred for family gatherings, with tables overflowing with food and warmth. Community ties run deep. Neighbors help each other in times of need. Children play in the streets until darkness falls. Birthdays, weddings, and religious festivals are celebrated with noise and color. Even in the busiest cities, people find time for friendship and togetherness. Food is more than fuel. It is a ritual. Tamales at Christmas, mole on special days, and tacos at midnight on the city streets. Markets are filled with fruits, chilies, and spices, painting a portrait of Mexico's rich diversity. This social closeness helps Mexicans face life's hardships. It is a shield against loneliness, a reason for hope, and a source of endless joy. There are many reasons why people fall in love with living in Mexico. The cost of living is often much lower than in the United States or Europe. Fresh fruit, local markets, and delicious street food are within everyone's reach. Public spaces are alive with activity, from morning joggers to late-night dancers. Mexico's weather is another treasure. In most regions, the sun shines almost every day. Winters are mild, and springs burst with color. The country stretches from lush tropical jungles to dry highland deserts, offering something for every taste. Culture is everywhere. Art fills galleries and parks. Musicians play in plazas. Writers and filmmakers tell stories that touch both heart and mind. Life is lived outdoors, in plazas, on rooftops, and beside the sea. All of this makes Mexico a land of daily pleasures. The good life is not about wealth, but about the moments spent with friends, family, and neighbors in a country that never stops celebrating itself. Yet, beneath the surface, Mexico faces deep and painful challenges. Crime and violence still haunt many regions. Drug cartels battle for control, leaving families shattered and communities afraid. Corruption touches too many lives, from city halls to police stations. Justice is sometimes slow and uneven. Inequality remains a hard reality. In the same city, shiny towers stand next to humble homes. While some children attend private schools and study abroad, others lack basic needs. Access to health care, education, and security is not equal for all. Still, Mexicans do not give up. Social movements rise to demand change. Artists, journalists, and ordinary citizens speak out. The fight for a fair and peaceful country is fierce and ongoing, written every day in the actions of brave men and women. These problems do not define Mexico, but they are part of its story, a shadow that makes the light shine even brighter. Mexico is a democracy in motion, with some of the world's largest elections. Power now shifts between parties, and women and youth play bigger roles. Scandals remind us democracy is a work in progress, but hope remains strong for a fairer, more open society. The future of Mexico belongs to its youth. More than half of Mexicans are under 30. This generation is connected, ambitious, and ready to change the world. Young people fill universities, coding boot camps, and art schools. They start businesses, join protests, and dream of something better. Education is a top priority. Many families make huge sacrifices to send their children to good schools. Scholarships and exchange programs open doors abroad. Science and technology are booming, with young engineers working on everything from clean energy to artificial intelligence. Mexican youth are global citizens. They travel, learn languages, and connect through the internet. But they also want to solve local problems, improving their neighborhoods, protecting the environment, and creating jobs. Their energy is Mexico's greatest hope. They are not afraid to question old ideas or demand justice. With every step, they push the country forward, one dream at a time. Every year, more people from other countries choose to make Mexico their home. Some come for work in booming industries. Others seek a slower, sunnier life, trading snow for palm trees. Retirees enjoy good health care and a gentle pace. Digital nomads fill coffee shops, drawn by fast internet and friendly faces. Mexico welcomes newcomers with open arms. Cities like Mérida, San Miguel de Allende, and Mexico City attract artists, entrepreneurs, and families from around the globe. International schools and communities make it easy to connect. Foreigners often mention Mexico's hospitality. They fall in love with the culture, food, and music. Friendships cross languages and borders. Many find a sense of belonging they never expected. This exchange of ideas and traditions makes Mexico richer and more diverse. It is a country always in motion, always ready to reinvent itself with the help of those who choose to stay. Mexico is a land of contrasts. Ancient pyramids and modern highways, deep wounds and unstoppable hope, poverty and privilege, celebration and struggle. These opposites live side by side every day. The country's soul is a dance between light and shadow, tradition and change. To know Mexico is to accept its contradictions. It is not perfect, but it is real, alive with dreams, laughter, and a stubborn will to move forward. Its past is always present, but its future is being written by millions of hands, young and old, native and new. This is the Mexico you will not see on a postcard or in a single news report. It is a place where every street tells a story and every person carries hope. In its struggles and victories, Mexico invites us to look deeper, to feel more, and to believe in what is possible. And so, the journey continues, always unfinished, always full of promise.
The journey has only begun. Subscribe and join us for more extraordinary destinations ahead. See you in the next adventure.